Hello and welcome to this cheesy pork recipe that I decided to do today. And first of all, you're gonna need some pork chops and you wanna cut them in completely in half. Not halfway through, not a bit half, and then leave it full all the way down till it can hit the disc. And you wanna put them inside a baking dish. Why? You'll see later. After that, season the meat with some salt from both sides and rub it in real good. Really good. And after that, grind in some black pepper and rub it in on both sides like you did with the salt. Now for this next step, you want to apply some diced parsley. You can use fresh one, you can use dry one, your choice. I highly recommend fresh one and rub it in on both sides. Apply some oil. You can use olive oil, you can use cooking oil. Same shit. Now for the interesting part, add some white wine all over the meat. And after that, put it inside a preheated oven at 200 degrees and leave it to bake for 20 minutes. You will see why later. But wait, there's another part to this recipe. The good one. Now take a pan and preheat it, and then add some diced onion and leave it to fry till it gets a nice golden brown color like always. Now I would like to apologize for the blurriness of this camera because this fucking canister stove just kinda sucks for recording. This is the last fucking time I'll ever use this gas canister for frying things on YouTube. So back to the recipe, add 250 grams of peas and then stir up for a little bit, and later on add the rice. Boiled rice, not too much, around 200 grams of it. Add some red pepper and you want to stir it up for a little bit, and then add some water. After it got boiled, take it out of the stove. After 20 minutes, take out the pork cutlet and add the melted cheese. You'll need 6 packages of those. And yes, it's called melted cheese. It's a bit of a complicated process. You need to cut the meat in half and then add the pieces. It's kind of tricky, as you can see. I'm kind of struggling a bit sometimes, but it shouldn't be a harder process because you need to at least hold the one part of the meat with your fork and the other with the other fork. And you get the idea of how it is. And after you finally struggle putting those melted cheeses in, leave it to bake for around 35 minutes at the same temperature, and after that take it out and serve it onto a dish along with the rice dish. Enjoy! Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. I found this recipe around an old cookbook which I had lying around my house, so I decided to, you know what, maybe just make something new out of it. Something so interesting but so weird at the same time. Anyways, all ingredients have been marked in the description down below. All accurate grams and measurements. I have an Instagram account you can follow if you want. It's in the description as well. If you want to check out some of my videos, there's 2 of them linked over here. And if you want to check out more, check out my channel. If you have a suggestion for a recipe or you want to say something, leave a comment down below. Share this recipe with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.